Hello guys, today we are going to study Science Class 9 Chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. Give the powers of the glass of the compound microscope. The powers of the glass are 10x, 45x and 100x. Give the name of the longest and shortest cells of the human body. The longest cells in the human body are nerve cells and the shortest cells are blood cells and sperm cells. Cells show the capacity to live. How? Cells show the capacity to live because the organelles present in the cells perform all the functions required for the cells. They make the foundation of the cells. How many properties mainly seen in the cells? In every cell, there are mainly three properties: plasma membrane, cytoplasm and protoplasm. Give the full form of DNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. The fundamental fragments of DNA are known as genes. Why does their splitting not take place? Because they are present as parts of chromosomes. What are the unfragmented unit of DNA known as? The unfragmented unit of DNA is known as genes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is mostly seen in which cells? Rough endoplasmic reticulum is seen mostly in cells which secrete enzymes and proteins made up of enzymes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mostly seen in which cells? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present mostly in sperm cells and liver, where synthesis of lipids and enzymes takes place. How does Golgi apparatus help in separation of membrane? The cisternae present in the Golgi apparatus are found attached with the endoplasmic reticulum. This is how it separates the membrane. Golgi apparatus is connected with the formation of the organelle of which cell? The Golgi apparatus is connected with the formation of lysosome. Give the formation of plasma membrane of living cells. Plasma membrane is the outermost layer of the cell. In its structure, a double layer of lipid is formed between two atoms of organic atoms of protein. Give the name of the cells which constantly change their structure. White cells and amoeba constantly change their structures. The digestive enzymes in the lysosomes are formed by the cells of which organelle? Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the formation of digestive enzymes. Where are genes found in the cells? Genes are found on the chromosomes present in the nucleus of the cell. Give the name of the organelle which provides color to flowers, fruits and leaves. Chromoplastids. The powerhouse of the cell is known as mitochondria. The compounds involved in the formation of the organic compounds containing oxygen and nitrogen are known as DNA and RNA. The organelle mainly involved in the formation of proteins is known as ribosomes. The inner membrane of mitochondria show deep foldings. The size of the eukaryotic cells is 15 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Cellulose is connected in starch cells. Digestive enzymes are formed by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Amoeba obtains oxygen through surface breathing. Chlorophyll and vacuoles are absent over the cell wall of animal cells. The vessels present on the surface of Golgi bodies are known as cisternae. Diffusion plays an important role between cell and its external environment. Root tips absorb water by osmosis. Give the name of parts present in plant cells but absent in animal cells. In plant cells, cellulose cell wall chloroplast, vacuoles, plastids are present but absent in animal cell. Give the name of the main functional cell of the cell. Nucleus acts as the main functional cell of the cell. What is mainly found in nucleus? Double-layered plasma membrane, cell organelles, chloroplast, etc. are present in the nucleus. Give 2 points of difference, animal cell and plant cell. In animal cell, cell wall chlorophyll is absent, and in plant cell, cell wall chlorophyll is present. Stellar and centrifuge are present in animal cell, whereas it is absent in plant cell. Give 2 points of difference, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, nuclear region is poorly defined due to absence of a nuclear membrane and known as nucleoid. And eukaryotic cells, nuclear region is well defined and surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Membrane-bound cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells and membrane-bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cells. Give 2 points of difference, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cytoplasm, organic except nucleus, and nucleus fluid is fluid present in nucleus. Cytoplasm is covered with plasma membrane and nucleus fluid is covered with nuclear membrane. Who invented cell very first? Robert Hooke. All living cell can do their own basic work. What does it call? Characteristic of living organism. What substance is used in the formation of plasma membrane? Proteins, lipids. Diffusion plays an important role between cell and its external environment. Diffusion of water molecules through a semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. If the solution of water molecules of the cells is more concentrated than the external solution, then through which process does the water enter the cells? Endosmosis. If the concentration of water in the cell is more than that in external solution, then what is the state of the cell when water exits from the cell? Exits from the cell. The cell shrinks. The solution in which water enters the cell through osmosis is known as hypotonic solution. The plant cell made up of cellulose substance which provides strength to the cell. The double layer membrane present outer to the cell membrane is known as nuclear membrane. Plastids present in the cytoplasm are made up of DNA and proteins. The nucleic acids present in the center of the cells of prokaryotic like bacteria are known as nucleoid. Animal cells which do not have nucleus are human red blood cell. What is more firm in plant cells than animal cells? Cell wall. Root hair absorb water through which process? Osmosis. Which group of organisms are characterized by membrane-less organelles and plastids made up of only nucleic acid? Prokaryotic cells. Where are proteins formed in the cell? Ribosomes. Which organelle helps in biogenesis of plasma membrane? Endoplasmic reticulum. The vessel present in Golgi apparatus are known as cisternae. Which organelle converts poisonous substances present in vertebrates into non-poisonous substances? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Out of the following organelles, which organelle takes part in the packaging and transport of substances? Golgi apparatus. Which organelles take part in keeping the body cells clean? Lysosomes. Why is the inner layer of mitochondria folded? It increases the surface area. What is the process of opening and closing of stomata known as? Osmosis. Where is the energy of the cell produced? In mitochondria. Green cells bearing chlorophyll are known as plastids. Name the organelles having independent DNA. Mitochondria and chloroplasts have their independent DNA. Who discovered cells and how? Robert Hooke discovered cells in 1665 while examining a thin slice of cork through a self-designed microscope. He saw the cork resembled the structure of a honeycomb consisting of many little compartments. Why is the cell called the structure and functional unit of life? A cell is capable of carrying out all necessary activities of life independently, so they are called functional or basic unit of life. What would happen if the plasma membrane ruptures or breaks down? If the plasma membrane ruptures or breaks down, lysosomes digest its own cell. That's why they are called suicide bats. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Why? Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. It is because it releases the energy required for different activities of life. What is osmosis? Water also obeys the law of diffusion. The movement of water molecules through such a selectivity permeable membrane is called osmosis.